Can someone live in my house after I die? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. So the question is that after I pass away, can somebody live in my house? You'd be surprised at how often this comes about. People want loved ones or others to have the right to live in their house for some period of time. This is called a life estate, and the scenarios under which it typically occurs are something like there's an adult child who was acting as the caregiver to the person who passed away. And as a result, that person in their will wanted to make sure that they, as a kind of a thank you for taking care of them, allows them to live in the house for some period of time. Or perhaps the live-in girlfriend or boyfriend of the deceased, and they want to make some provisions for them and allow them to live in their home for some period of time. And this gives them the right to live in the house, this life estate. It gives them the right to live in this house, but comes with some strings attached. They have to maintain the property for the person to whom that house is eventually going to go. That's called the remainder man, the person who has a remainder interest. And you can see that on occasion that might cause a problem because the remainder men might say, hey, you're not maintaining the house well enough and you're depleting its value, and that hurts me financially. Or they may have a conflict. The one or the other wants to sell the house. And so they have to both agree on the price and everything associated with the sales. So it can be an issue. How long does the life estate last? Well, by definition, for the life of the life tenant, or if the life tenant decides to move out, that severs that interest in the home. Or in some cases, if that life tenant chooses to then subsequently marry someone else, that would sever the tenancy. So it is an interesting concept. It's used more often than you think. If you have an interest in setting up a life estate for a loved one, our information is at the end of this video, and we'd love to have the chance to talk to you about it. Again, my name is Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.